This kind of video usually go viral and it can give you enough engagement that can boost your page. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually record something like this using your smartphone with Capcut editing application. Don't forget to share this video.
Let's go to the Capcut editing application to show you how I recorded the video, and after that we can now proceed with the tutorial. Okay, so heading to Capcut, before we click on a new project, I want you to understand that this very yellow circle is used for specific stuff. I will be using it to point some things which I need to illustrate. Okay, so head over to new project and click on it. Choose the video that you want to edit. Here is it. Now in this editing interface, before I do some adjustment, I want to play the video for you to see how it is. So this is the video, and I recorded it through the windscreen of the public vehicle that I boarded. Do you understand? So before I bring in the next layer, I want to remove some part of the video by highlighting the video here, and you click on split to split it. Come over to this side, the unwanted part, and then highlight it and click on delete to remove that unwanted part. Let's mute the video, okay, so that the background sound will not be distracting. We are done bringing in the first clip. The next thing is to bring in the overlay or the second clip by clicking on this overlay here, then clicking on it. Still click on add overlay to take you to your gallery where you will choose the video. Here is it. Then click on the add button, but before then just watch the way I recorded the video, as simple as this. Okay, the essence of that very green background is to enable me remove the entire background of the video, leaving behind the actor. Okay, now but looking at it now, you will understand that there are some portion of the background that is not covered with that very green background. This is what you will do: swipe to this end until you locate to transform. Then on getting to transform, click on resize, then come over to this size, and from here to reduce the size of this. You can see what I'm doing. Click and hold and take it up. Do the same from the top, then from behind do the same. Okay, then from the left hand side do the same. You can now see that the only space remaining is the green background stuff. You click on this check mark key. The next thing which you need to do is to click on this return button and get back to the editing menu. Do you understand? Then swipe until you get to remove background, remove BG, then click on it, then go for the third button. Okay, click on it. Now inside this place, you will notice that there is a circle. Okay, what you need to do is to click and hold and shift your finger to any part of this very space. Okay, you will see the magic. Have you seen that the color has disappeared? But looking at this very young man, you will notice that there are some particles of that very green color on it. What you need to do is to come to intensity and adjust it forward. Okay, so you click on this check mark key to authenticate the action. Click on return arrow, then go for adjust. Click on adjust, then swipe to HSL. Click on HSL, then you choose on this green color. Come over to this side, increase it like this, then take this one, take it like this. You will notice that the green color in this space has totally disappeared. Then once you are done, click on this check mark key. Okay, and then you click on it again. It will now disappear. Let's play the video before we proceed. All right, this is what you will do. Once you have the stuff like this and you at the beginning of the video, head over to this very keyframe and click it. Automatically little arrow will just appear here, red. Okay, now click on this space and take it to outside of that very screen. Okay, like this. Then come over here, take the video a little bit forward, then you come back to this side and bring the video again to the screen. Let's play the video to understand what I did. Have you seen it? Now still on this very bar, as you are moving, you really need to control the size of this guy by zooming in and zooming out of this very box here. You can see the box surrounding the young guy. So let me shrink it in. Then you can see what I'm doing. It is not hard. It is not just hard. So let me zoom it in. After we will play the video, let me just stop here. I don't want the video to be long. Then the next thing is to click on split here, then delete the front one. It is no longer needed. That is the excess part. You highlight this main clip, split and delete. Okay, now we are left with this. So let's play the video before. All right, have you seen how the stuff is going? Fantastic. So what you just need to do is to look for the sound that will best suit this thing. Okay, if you are in lack of the sound to use, indicate on the comment section. I will give you the one that I used on this one. What you need to do for me personally is just for you to share this video so that others will learn from this very video. Okay, now once you are done the adjusting and editing of the video, just kindly head over to this export here and then have your video being exported to your gallery. From there you can now post the stuff to your channel. Kindly help me share so that others will benefit.